welcome to my channel. This is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the 757 Mixed Media Collab and Company. And we have a mixed media collab, and every month we have a different theme, and we have to present it on the last Sunday of the month about 1 o'clock. So I want to say thank you for stopping by to check it out. And if you're new here, welcome. And I hope you like and subscribe and continue to follow me. If you are returning, hey, thank you so much for rocking with me all this time. And I hope you continue to do so. So before I get started, it's myself, it's Sheba, and today is Sheba's birthday from Sheba Fine. Of course, everyone's links will be in the description box below. We have Lisa from Scrappy, we have Susan from Susie Q 321, and we're gonna have this month too. We also gonna have Leah from TLC, and there, forgive me for saying your channel. I'll put it below. I don't know if you're posting your picture or not, but anyway, and then we have Donna, and Donna is Donna_K_crafts. And of course, she's on Instagram. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. If I said anybody's channel name wrong, it would be listed below, so click the links. But anyway, so again, this is Sheba's birthday, so happy birthday to her. We have monthly themes, and any form, any type of mixed media that you want to use. And mixed media is 2 or more mediums that you want to use on whatever substrate we're using. So we're using a clipboard this month, and so for a little clipboard, do whatever you want. You can use any kind of clipboard, different sizes, doesn't matter, different types of clips. But that was just to show you the one that I used for this one, and mine came from the Dollar Tree. So what did I use? I used some Heidi Swap Color Shine, and let's see, we have Butter, Hot Pink, Peacock, Coral, Teal. I use those for splatters. Let's see. My paint, Apricot, and Black Gloss. I use some matte mediums, some gesso, white. I use this Tim Holtz Ideology collage paper called Botanical. That's how that looks, black and white. I used some bling that I got from the Dollar Tree, some of the sheet bling. Just come to sheets like that. I used my Jelly Roll white number 10 pen. I used one of my big markers in gray. This is in bold, cold gray. I used this Dollar Tree calendar, and I know I'm the fussy cut queen. I will cut out anything. Can't cut a straight line, but I can fussy cut anything. So I wanted to use some words out of here, and I used the words strong and brave, and I fussy cut them out to use them on my project. And I wanted to keep mine flat. Oh yeah, I did use some ribbon and stuff too, and I'll show you that in just a second. So this is my, oops, and I forgot to show you my magazine, but because I already deconstructed that magazine, but this image in the background comes from what is it, Astroff or something, clothing line. But anyway, so I, just with the background, I layered the Tim Holtz collage paper. I used this apricot in the background only because I wanted some type of sunlight, I guess, wanted to say, like, coming from the background. So I thought, instead of going red, which would be my typical color pattern that I always go with, red and black and white, I decided to change it up a little bit. So I said, I'm going to go with orange. So orange kind of color, because I wanted it like a glow. Just to say, like, her strength is coming forth. And so the word says strong and brave, and of course everything was fussy cut out. She was fussy cut out. I adhered her after my paint dry with my matte medium. I went around her with my big pen, and then I went around it with the white gel pen, and I adhered the word strong and brave, and I did the same thing. I went around it with the gray pit pen and then the white marker, just so I can give it a little bit of depth. And my lighting, of course, it's like horrible always whenever I do a video, so yeah. But I wanted the letters to look a little brighter than what they did, so that's why I went around it with the gray and the white. You'll be able to see a still photo. especially on Instagram. And then I just put some bling. I painted the clip completely black. I put some bling on it, and then I went around at the edges with some black. Oh yeah, I put splatters down first of all those different Heidi swap. I just splattered the background with different colors. You can see them in the pinks, the blues, the yellows, and everything, just to give it a little bit of color. I even took my white gel pen and did some dots on it as well in the background. And I did some little black edging with the paint around the edges just to ground it, to give it some space, some finality. This bling Dollar Tree butterflies, where I got that from. These corner bling, I got those from Michael's Recollection years ago. And then this dangle, I have some dangles that I had made. I have not shown them yet, but a whole bunch of them, just waiting to put some clips and stuff on them, on some beads, whatever. But anyway, I just decided, just going to color. So, oh, you know what? I have something to that color. I'm going to add that in this little pom-pom. I ended up using one of my rings on it because I didn't have a jump ring large enough to adhere it to the clip. But I used that to improvise, just to add that on it. I may take it off, but anyway, that was just adding some a little bit more dimension to it. But yeah, so that is my simple but mixed media. I don't know, that was the only thing I could think of was I wanted to collage something. So I said, what can I do? And that's what I thought about doing. So strong and brave, and I just think that that's who I am. Don't feel like it every day, but I am by God's grace. Strong, and so he is the one who gives me the source of strength. So I just wanted to do that and to encourage other people that even though you may not feel like you are brave, you may not feel like you're strong, but if you got up the next day, you're up. You're always up. So be encouraged that even though it may knock you down today, a wise man gets up. So no matter what you did, no matter what happened, wisdom comes in getting up, not staying laid down. So anyway, take a moment to rest and relax and get your mind together, and then boom, get back up again and start all over again, because you can always start over again, no matter what anyone says. So that's mine. I think, I was inspired because October is like breast cancer month, so I just thought about that. So being strong and brave. So I know the other ladies have created some masterpieces, so please go by, stop by their channel and check out what they decided to do for their mixed media clipboard. And I appreciate your time for stopping by, like, watching, and subscribe. And I dare you to be creative. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.